Hey guys, it's Nathan, and today we're going to be playing the Battle Cats once again. Okay, clear the grease stage to unlock the special unit Bean Cats. Okay. Nothing new. Platinum tickets. Okay. $8? No. I can't. No. Okay. Let's go to Singapore since we did Australia before. Okay, so should we put out first? Let's put out Matador Cat. We'll send a bunch of Matador Cats. And we got a Macho Cat. Didn't even notice I put that down. Okay, what? Singapore? Oh, I know that statue. Matador Cat. Oh, there's too many. Attack the Matador Cats. We have to send out other cats now because you guys aren't doing good enough. Come on. Yes, attack. Yeah. New cat. Let's see. Cow cat? Would that even be... What is that? Would that even be a cat? We got ninja cat, sumo cat, nah. Sumo cat, I just saw sumo cat and tank cat. Event stage. Mola. Crazed bird. Yeah, I definitely cannot complete crazed bird where I am right now. Sweetest sorrow. Let's do that. Guys, I'll be back whenever I have the character for this. Okay, so I'm gonna show the first try so you can at least see the stage. What is that? That was that. I haven't logged in a while. That looks like a marshmallow. Okay. See, everything costs more because we're in a farther stage. Okay, we got axe cats. Okay, so what is that? He looks strong. Attack! Come on. Yes. Come on. Attack whatever that is. Jeez, this level's long. Come on, we're gonna lose. Attack it. Looks like an orange koala with a stick. Attack the orange koala with a stick. Come on. Well, we lost. Great. 88. Yeah, we can't play that again. Okay, let's go for survive mola. Let's do ritual happiness first. Angelic devil. We'll use a treasure radar that I bought with cat food. So we will 100% get whatever that is. Okay. So the matador. Why is there a lock on the top of the building? Should there be a lock like at the door or something? Oops. There we go. We're halfway. Oh, seal? That's it? See, the matador. I should put like down a bunch of matadors since they dodge red attacks. The seal's red. What? Guess I can get hit sometimes. I don't know. I'm not matador cat. Smack it. Smack it. X cats and matador cats. Come on. Kill the seal. Well, that's mean. Well, it's in a game seal. Destroy the seal. That's better. Oh, dang it. Come on, we better win this, or else that's a waste of treasure radar. Attack him! Come on. Cat cannon. Fire! Come on. Matador cat, go. Macho cat, go. Oh, come on. Come on. Ah. What percent health is he at? 4%? We could... Sure, that's a waste of a treasure. You know what? No, not that. We need to go to our missions. Evil cat, level 10. Yeah, level 10. Yeah, I'll do survive mola since I know this one's easy. Wow, we're almost out of energy. I play this game. Hey! That brown thing under the 3 and 3,000, the first 3,000 is the first mola. The first mola is eating crabs. The crabs is for like the king mola first. What the heck? I didn't even press that. I wish we had something that could go faster, like... It already died. That shows you how weak they are. Don't eat that plastic bag. Well, eat the plastic bag above that fish. Then it will die, and then we will win. Mwahaha. I'm kidding. Okay. Victory. Mola cat. Yeah, just Mola, okay. We got... Here we go. A cat trained by molas for marine combat. Still kind of wishes he became a meteorologist. Resistant to red enemy attacks. Okay. We upgraded him once. Equip. Let's equip the mola. 450. Okay, so now we got that done. Look, his little things. What are those, feet? Like, let's see what he does. Spits water. Okay. Why does he spit water? Okay, what else do we have to play? Tuesday stage, Sweet as Sorrow. Let's go back. Is there still that sale going on from last episode? Yeah, there is. I could get 120,000 XP. Dang. Maldives. We have just enough energy, so this will be our last place for today. We'll use only molas on this one. Ooh, yeah. We axe cats, molas, and whatever that is. What's it called? Matador. Yeah. Okay, we'll put the molas out. So we'll add a matador. Spit at it. Yeah. The music changed before the boss came out. Okay. Attack! Upgrade. I want to get the right rabbit to fight the pig. No, he beat them. Okay, I think it's fine though. See what? We won. Well, gross cat's out there. Everyone's coming out. Fish cat's there now. So, efficiency 8. Let's upgrade catch. Oh, that's a lot. All my energy since since it's almost over. Okay, guys. See you next episode. Bye.